Hi, so here are all the chapters that's in the data folder, and I'm going to go to chapter 5 because that's the project that we're working on for this particular week. Open up assignment 5, and you'll notice that I've already put census test in here. So the data that was collected from the census and then fixed and cleaned up, I actually put here into this particular folder. It's not in the geodatabase, it's just in the folder. Now I'm going to double click on assignment 5-1. And I'm going to open this, and will automatically open up ArcGIS Pro. And then once it does, I'm going to show you what we can do with that table to make it pretty easy for importing into the geodatabase. Unfortunately, you can't just drag and drop outside of ArcGIS Pro. You do have to do the import feature. So here's our blank project that we start with that one assignment, and I'm just going to insert a new map. So we're inserting a new map here, and then I'm going to skip setting the projection and all that stuff. We're going to go straight to the heart of the issue. I want to go to catalog pane, and here's our folder. Here's assignment 5 that has my name on it. Here's assignment 5-1 geodatabase. So I'm going to open that up, and I'm just actually going to highlight both the US states and the US counties. I'm going to add them to the current map. And I'm also going to take my census test file that I created. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm also going to add this to the current map. Now by adding it to the current map, it doesn't go into the geodatabase yet. You can see it's not there. So what I need to do is right click on the geodatabase. Now I'm going to go up here to import table. And now because my table is already here in the table of contents, I can click on this pull down menu, and there it is. If that table wasn't in here yet, if I hadn't added it to the map, it wouldn't be here. So that's why I needed to add it actually to the map first. Then I click on it. I'm going to add it to the geodatabase, which is assignment 5-1 geodatabase, this one, and I'll click run. And now it's going to import into the geodatabase. Just put it into the geodatabase. Now there's a reason why we did this. Let me close this window here, and I'll show you to in just a second. But remember, this is the original table. And if I right click on it, and if I open the attribute table, everything's grayed out. I can't do any editing to this table because it's outside of the geodatabase. So I'm actually going to get rid of it because it doesn't serve us any purpose unless we just want to view it. So I'm going to remove it. But now if I go back to catalog pane and I open up our geodatabase, here it is. And by the way, if you don't see it, just click the refresh. Here is the tracks. You click refresh and it should pop up. Now I can right click on this thing. Now I can add it to the current map. And now when I right click on this table and open up the geodatabase, you'll notice it's not grayed out anymore. So I can actually do editing to this particular table. And that's why you want to put into the geodatabase. Okay, so that's it. That's a really quick way to do it. If you have any questions, please just let me know, and I'm happy to address them.